So I was just like trying to get ready for the video and I just fucking cracked open a hard casket by accident. I was just trying to clip me gloves. Guess we're going backwards today. Fuck it, do a backwards video. 5 mediums. Fuck, I'm getting a lot of sweets. Trash. Trash. Oh my god, that's so trash. So trash. What the fuck? Ayo! Another piece of heraldic and a fat stack of sweets. And a big juicy collection log. And crack open the easy. Alright, no lobsters today. That was Casket of the Day, where this week is Lobster Week. Where for every lobster drop we get, I'm gonna kill a kid. Didn't get any though, so what are we on? 37? Leave it at that, baby. This video is so cooked.